E-commerce is really about satisfying customer demand in the optimum way. And for many retailers, they're going to rely on their channel partners, their wholesalers and their manufacturers to fulfill that demand directly when it makes sense to do that. And so we see this channel blurring. We see retailers increasingly collaborating with manufacturers and manufacturers shipping directly to the end user of their product. In some cases, you see the manufacturers themselves bypassing the retail channel altogether and going direct to the end users of their products, many times for the first time.
This one-size-fits-all, I'm going to take these goods and deliver them and drop ship them to a large department store is over and it's gone. And I think we've noticed that from this recent retail industry conference that no one wants to be plain vanilla anymore. And I think what we've seen is that lots of different types of retailers are kind of shift the game.
We also see much greater collaboration across different partners, particularly logistics partners, in terms of order fulfillment and delivery. And what we absolutely know is that on the delivery side of things, the delivery experience is as important as the rest of the order fulfillment experience. So therefore, the delivery experience provides a real opportunity for retailers, manufacturers and the logistics companies to really ensure that customers are getting a good experience right at the point of delivery and including the returns process as well.
So as e-commerce continues to rise, what we see are retailers, for example, moving towards omni-channel strategies that are leveraging these assets, the store, the inventory in the store, to fulfill that online demand. And that represents significant challenges and significant opportunity for those retailers to do so. Foundational to that certainly is higher levels of inventory accuracy. Our study found that overall inventory accuracy in the supply chain was actually reported quite low at around 65%. And we know it's even lower in an in-store environment. And if you don't know where it is with high accuracy and high visibility, you really can't allocate it to online demand. So it's imperative that inventory accuracy continue to improve. Retail stores, we know, are going to rely on some of these more advanced digital technologies. Certainly passive RFID is going to be a very important part of that solution, but lots of other digital technologies as well will help them drive to high levels of inventory accuracy that they can then rely on to leverage that in-store inventory to fulfill online demand.